A developer asks a simple question: who owns sign-off for this service? Roster answers it at build time, so you can ship it straight to production. The friction is real. Wiring resolution into a pipeline shouldn't mean standing up infrastructure or guessing at an API just to test who owns something. What you test by hand rarely matches what runs in CI. So, you run it from the terminal. Inside Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex, roster resolve runs against a single local Docker container and returns the person. Then you drop the identical call into CI. Sandbox to production. Same surface, no rewrite. What you tested by hand is exactly what runs in your pipeline. Tested in the dev loop, not discovered in production. One container, no infra-tax. Natural language in, the right people out. Agents know how. Roster resolves who? Start for free at rosterresolve.ai.